If you're considering buying MOSHIQA, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before making your decision. MOSHIQA is a software that's been gaining traction lately, and in this video, we're diving into why it stands out and where it might fall short compared to other similar tools on the market. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're getting into with MOSHIQA. First off, MOSHIQA is designed to make your processes smoother. From the first moment you open the platform, you'll notice its sleek, user-friendly interface. But how does it compare to competitors like Monday.com or Asana? Well, one key difference is the level of customization MOSHIQA offers. While tools like Asana are great for task management, MOSHIQA takes it up a notch by allowing you to tailor the entire workflow experience, from task tracking to team collaboration. If you're someone who values flexibility in managing projects, MOSHIQA could be the right fit for you. Next thing to know is its integration capabilities. MOSHIQA plays well with most major tools you're probably already using, like Google Drive, Slack, and even Zapier for automating repetitive tasks. This is a huge win compared to some other project management platforms that either don't offer integrations or have limited support. You won't have to deal with the headache of syncing data manually, which can save you hours in the long run. And if you're using any kind of software stack, MOSHIQA's integrations will make your life a lot easier. Now, one feature that sets MOSHIQA apart is its advanced analytics. Unlike some competitors, which only offer basic tracking, MOSHIQA gives you in-depth reporting tools that break down everything from team performance to task completion rates. This can be especially useful for managers who need real-time data to make decisions quickly. If you're managing a large team, MOSHIQA can help you keep everything on track with detailed insights that others simply don't provide. Moving on to another important aspect, pricing. MOSHIQA offers a competitive pricing model that might surprise you. Compared to high-end platforms like Jira or Trello, MOSHIQA gives you many of the same features without the steep price tag. And if you're wondering about hidden fees, don't worry, MOSHIQA is upfront about its costs. In fact, you can get started with a free trial, and I'll be talking about how to claim that offer at the end of this video. The next thing you should consider is the mobile app. A lot of project management tools offer decent desktop experiences but drop the ball on mobile. MOSHIQA's mobile app is incredibly responsive, with all the features you'd expect from the desktop version. So if you're someone who needs to stay connected while on the go, you'll appreciate this seamless transition from desktop to mobile. The sixth thing you need to know is that MOSHIQA offers exceptional customer support. While some competitors leave you stuck with FAQs and forums, MOSHIQA has a dedicated support team that's available to help you at all stages of your journey. Whether you're setting up your workspace or troubleshooting an issue, the MOSHIQA team is there to ensure you're up and running. And finally, the seventh thing to know before buying MOSHIQA, the trial period. You can try MOSHIQA for free through the link in the description, which gives you the chance to explore all its features without making a commitment. This is a great way to see if it fits your needs without any pressure. If you decide to move forward, you'll get exclusive benefits for being one of the first to sign up. So, if you're ready to take MOSHIQA for a spin, click the first link in the description below to get the best offer and start your free trial today. You'll have access to features that can streamline your work process and potentially transform your team's productivity. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this.